Here's a bird to take care of. They plant grass, so hopefully that'll grow out. He's doing really good. When the wind blows and that ribbon flaps around, it scares him and he spooks away. He didn't get all the food. I'll come up and get some water. Get a little close up. Bird, bird, come on. Good bird. If there's any movement around, he gets spooked, which is understandable. He can't fly, but very little. Like and subscribe. He's looking pretty good though. All in all, he's pretty healthy. So they just spooked him. Now I'll go up the staircase. Oh, car back out, spooked him. He's back. Hey, bird. He's almost done. Oh, spooked again. Yeah, it looks like you might be done. Alright, everybody, like and subscribe. Have a good day.